Hey, what's wrong with you? So can't you see they have waited, don't you know, here again? So what are you doing?
What
be your
Or
problem?
you can't read it, or you don't understand.
My name's on Costco today.
You the craze?
See what you are telling us. You are mad, don't you know?
You don't read my first time I don't come urinate here.
I bet, can't you see they are waiting something over there?
The thing say don't urinate here again. Now if I see my having me on this area boat, that means my first time I don't come urinate here. So what will be your problem?
You are not serious. I also can see you once again. Come on, better leave here. What do you try to do?
If you make me vex, I don't go beat you here for now.
You can't do anything.
Hey, the credit that is
You can never do anything.
don't urinate here again.
So can't you read? Or you don't understand? Should I explain it to you?
What is the problem? Okay, come listen now. Hear them now. Okay, read what is on the I didn't say on the wall now. Yes, okay, come see you. After here I don't urinate, I see this thing. Say don't urinate here. Do not university here again. Oh, nice. Okay, you know be university. This is don't urinate here again. See, don't urinate here again. I know battery. Don't urinate here again. What? What? Adentina. Why don't you say? Problem in say me first time na me ba. I say don't urinate here again. Again so. Oh. No. Where the anka? I can problem now no. I can may arrest no but again so no.
I can see two of you are not serious.
I just said
two of you are mad because don't you note here again? It doesn't mean you haven't unit here.
You don't jaguar some.
Oh, leave this. I can see you are not serious. See how you are walking.
I'm a bluff for you. I'm a bluff for now. And Yamu, Adiano, what's it? Let's hear again. I did the kind of what you say.